question. I want to know, Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, is he going to resign? Now, this could take place anytime between now and a couple of years, but Justice Thomas, will he resign with all this controversy that's going on in his name? Free trips, spending money that's been showered on him by this GOP donor. Let's find out. So let's ask the question, Clarence Thomas, what's going to happen with him? You know, he's been taking free trips from a GOP billionaire, I guess, donor guy, who's been having him, taking him around the world for 20 plus years. And but supposedly there's no influence in his court decisions. What do you think? I mean, common sense just tells you there's probably something going on there. So we'll ask the question, Clarence Thomas and his crazy wife, Jenny Thomas. So Clarence Thomas, is he going to have to resign, or will he just resign? And this could be any time now in the next couple of years. I mean, this kind of a reading isn't something that's going to happen instantly, but it's certainly something that I'm interested in knowing about. So we're going to ask 3 cards and then maybe another 6. 1, 2, 3. Will Clarence Thomas resign in the next 24 months? That's the first question. Look at this. This is very interesting. So this is a 6 of Pentacles. Pentacles are value, usually money, and this has to do with distributing the wealth. This person, as you can see right here, is the wealthy person or the government official distributing the money to the people begging for it right here. First question, will he be asked to resign? And it looks like money has been distributed. Second card, look at this, the star. So this is the star. This is pointing us to some very prominent person. Could be either Thomas or that GOP billionaire donor. And then the final card, a big offer of money. This tells me, I don't know that it so much tells me he's going to resign, that this tells me money was passed, okay? Money is the subject here, and it has been passed. So let's do just another quick 3 cards now that it's kind of been defined. And sometimes the cards work this way. They don't necessarily tell you exactly the story you want, they tell you the story that they need to tell. So it's clarified right now that this has to do with money being distributed to a star or from a star, and it's a great big offer of value. So now, will Clarence Thomas resign in the next 24 months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Will Clarence Thomas resign in the next 24 months? We'll see how this goes. Okay, Clarence Thomas, Supreme Court Justice. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles. This guy, this is Clarence Thomas. He's been a knight fighting for money. That great big offer repeated from the previous reading, and that's the challenge to this situation. Base of this reading, look at this, smaller celebrations on towards something larger. These are the trips. Past of this reading, nightmare. Everything that's been going on, this is truth, justice, rules, and law has been suffering. It's been a nightmare for those elements in the past. Judgment is on the way. And the final outcome, will he eventually resign? Yes. This is biding your time. This is truth, justice, rules, and law. Biding your time, knowing when it's time to take a rest and not get up at your peril. Yeah, he will eventually resign. We'll see how this goes.